Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your crypto wallet to Binance. It's important to understand that you don't directly link wallets in the traditional sense. Instead, you'll be transferring your digital assets from your external wallet to a specific deposit address provided by your Binance account. This process ensures your funds are securely moved to the exchange for trading or holding. We'll walk through each step carefully. First, log into your Binance account and find the deposit option. Here, you'll select the exact cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crucially, choose the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP2 for Binance Chain. An incorrect network choice could result in lost funds. Once selected, Binance will display a unique deposit address. Copy this address precisely. Now, open your external crypto wallet, whether it's a hardware wallet or a software application. Locate the send or withdraw function for the cryptocurrency you're moving. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check that the network selected in your external wallet matches the one you chose on Binance. Always review all transaction details before confirming the send. After sending, your transaction will need to be confirmed on the blockchain, which can take a few minutes to several hours depending on the network congestion. Binance will notify you once the deposit is successfully credited to your account. For larger transfers, it's a wise practice to send a very small test amount first to ensure everything works correctly. Always double-check all addresses and networks to prevent any irreversible errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.